There's nothing more unappealing than attaching painted plywood to a van ceiling. Provankits uses its CNC machining centers to create what replicates individual hand-constructed roofs in its fan builds. Once created, the ceiling can be painted, stained. More commonly, we install pre-made panels with a high-gloss white finish. Most fan builders employ plank construction with 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch thick planks cut to length. This typically requires 15 to 20 individual planks, each screwed into the ceiling supports. Besides cutting to length, insulation requires holes to be added for overhead lighting, box frames for ventilation, and supports for rooftop AC units. Better results can be obtained with multiple 4x8 foot panels, first designed and the machine to match the van ceiling profile. At Provankits, each panel is individually CNC machined for correct width, alignment, and holes for overhead lighting, ventilation, and 1 or more skylights. Instead of a dozen more handcrafted planks, a Provankits ceiling only has 5 panels with ceiling hardware precisely placed according to layouts generated by a CAD system and cut with a CNC machine. Pre-steps prior to installing any ceiling are wiring and insulation. Although we've watched dozens of videos extolling the virtues of a specific type of insulation, we found the best is the same used in duct insulation in commercial buildings. It has the lowest cost per square foot, easiest installation, and best R values per inch of thickness. We can typically insulate the interior of a van in just a few hours. The final result is an engineered insulated ceiling that looks like one unified ceiling panel. In transit van builds, the ceiling panel contour the graceful arch that is inherent in the van's construction.